Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accordingly. 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 Accordingly is an adverb used to indicate that an action is performed in a manner consistent with the circumstances, information, or instructions that have been presented. It shows a logical connection between a situation or statement and the resulting action or response. Here are some examples. Example number 1, the weather forecast predicts heavy rain, so you should take an umbrella accordingly. Why accordingly is used in example number 1. Accordingly emphasizes that taking an umbrella is a logical response to the forecast of heavy rain. Example number 2, the project was completed ahead of schedule, and the team was rewarded accordingly. Why accordingly is used in example number 2. Accordingly indicates that the reward given to the team corresponds to the early completion of the project. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.